Hello guys, so welcome to the testing class. So today we will discuss about TCS technical interview experience of 2022, and we will also discuss about some do and don'ts or FAQ regarding how to prepare and how to get selected in first time. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to understand the interview pattern, like what all things will be asked on, or the sections will be asked while writing for the TCS exam. So the sections are, you can see, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, programming concept, coding. So these are four rounds which includes your MCQs as well as some written. So the total timing that will be 90 minutes, and you will have to face 41 question. The TCS technical round question asked non-IT background, like 60% from the batch or branch topic and 40% from the project and from the programming language. For IT candidates, those who are working in IT or those who are studying information technology as a subject, the 50% from the branch topic, 50% from the project plus programming language. So as you can see, programming language is the common part of this interview pattern. Next is project. Obviously, we have to prepare well for all those projects which you have performed yourself within your college or college curriculum or other than that. Programming languages, so fully proficient, you have to be fully proficient. Having some practical knowledge how we can implement these programming or technological stacks, or how you have implemented these technological stacks in your projects. So let's get started. The first question is very generic, that is, tell me something about yourself. Next is, why do you want to switch into IT field, and if you are a non IT guy, then you have to be prepared for this question. Suppose you are from mechanical or BCA or BCom or MBA background and you are going to give TCS for IT, then you have to prepare for this answer. Final year project related question. What all project you have done in your final year? Whether you are a non-IT, you have to prepare like what have you done in your final year project. Topic related to your branch that you have prepared well. So they might ask you about the topics that you have prepared with respect to your branch. Whether you are from mechanical, so some common question might be asked regarding that. You have to be comfortable with programming language. So you have to select your programming language and prepare well for this interview. Algorithm, problem solving, question and puzzle. Problem solving and puzzles are very important for any interview for fresher, because in these two things the interviewer will judge you about your problem solving skill. Like if they are going to give you any problem, or if any situation comes up, how you tackle that problem. So that is very important. If any puzzle is there, so how you react, what all you think about solving that puzzle, that is important. So they are going to check your skill in solving a problem. Next is like technical thing or language related. Reversing a number, how to know a year in leap year or not. So obviously you know what is leap year, so you have to write a program regarding that. Some pattern problem, like we need to print a star, a triangle or anything like pattern. Reversing a number, that is repeated. Array sorting, so sorting of array, they might ask you to write program or write a sorting algorithm to sort an array instead of the existing or built-in sorting mechanism. Next is operation on array element, like if I want to add, update or delete any element within the array, then how we are going to do that? Lexicography, the problem you can see. So next is finding the factorial of a number using recursion. There are multiple way in finding the factorial. You have to use recursion. That is very important thing to know the recursion. Concept or of linked list. Very important. Why we use linked list over list? Because let me hint you, like when we are going to use linked list, obviously the deletion and addition of a element or item is very easy in linked list as compared to list, because linked list contains data and the address to the next node. Next is DBMS concept. Have to prepare for DBMS concept. What all DBMS? Like DML, all commands, and all those things. Data structure. Obviously, if you are you are from IT background, then you have to prepare for data structure. RDMS concept. Finding factorial. So these are some common thing. String operation. Obviously, the string is very important. All modification, updates, and all methods of string class you should know. Programming basics. Basic of programming C concept. Difference between C, C++, Java, Python. Why we used to use C? What are the benefit of Python over Java, and all those things. Oops concept. This is very important. Like in each and every interview, you might get a question from oops. So you have to focus on oops concept, because these are the root of any language. Next is access specifier or modifier. In casing, switch case, other conditional cases. They might give you or they might ask you to write a program which includes switch cases and break statement within that. Next is like they might ask you break and continue and go to statement with respect to your favorite language. Next is exception handling. So if you are writing a program and any exception comes up, how you are going to handle that? What are the challenges you face while handling the exception? Interface and conversion concepts. Abstraction. Why we use abstraction? What are the benefit of using abstraction? Method overloading, overriding. And next is static method. Concept of call by value as well as reference. Constructor. Again, important question. They might ask you regarding, can we override constructor or not? If you are saying no, you have to prepare why not. Next is deadlock concept. So this is used in your thread safety application and synchronization. When we are saying deadlock, you have to prepare for the same. Like one resource is available, the second resource will access the release resource, till then the first one release it. So there are some concept regarding the deadlock that helps you in synchronization or thread safety of an application. Next is difference between continue and break. Like if we are using continue within a loop, within a cases, then how they are going to perform. Next is TCS upcoming drive. So this is the tip. Like TCS career opportunity like an open window for both fresher and experienced candidate. If anyone is interested to work with TCS organization, they can simply log in into next step portal or register as per the requirement. You have to go to the TCS website login page or career page, where you can enroll yourself and you can wait or you can apply for the existing openings. Both freshers, candidates, and experienced employee can register for TCS upcoming drive for 2021. So if you are preparing for the same, whether you are from IT background or non-IT, if you are focusing to go into IT company, then TCS will be a good opportunity or good option for you. So you have to prepare well for the same and you have to start preparing for TCS. Next is the FAQs. When TCS 2023 off campus release, the expected days is October, November. TCS delaying off campus due to the pandemic. So there are some things is going on, so you have to understand, like you have to changing the or start looking into the TCS career page on daily basis, or you can say weekly. Like you have to understand the their dates, like when you can apply for off campus. How can I get TCS off campus? Visit the TCS portal and register yourself and get selected in TCS off campus interview. They will call you at a location where you have to give all those things. How can I get TCS off campus drive detail? Obviously, from the TCS detail page. How to apply? You have to go to the TCS and register yourself. You have to fill your detail and update detail and submit it. And you will get a mail or a call when there is a drive or there is an opportunity or there is an drive is going on. Next is, where can I check the result of TCS off drive? Selected candidate will get an email from TCS off campus drive. How can I get TCS off campus? The answer is, only suitable candidate like 2022 and 21 pass out can register for the TCS next step official step. When next is, when will TCS conduct off campus for 2022 batch? In February 23 or 24 financial year, like the upcoming month. Candidate can register first TCS next step and you'll get off campus drive information to SMS as well as email. So start looking into your email if you have registered already. When will TCS conduct the off campus? Expected would be August and September. How to apply TCS? The same thing, like you have to go to TCS website, apply for any category that you are looking for. If you are looking for IT, non IT, BPO, anything, you can select your particular category and apply. How to apply for off campus TCS? How to get selected? Score maximum mark in online assessment and technical. How to prepare? Prepare for the reasoning. Obviously, if you are a fresher and you are going to attempt TCS written paper, then you have to prepare for verbal, non-verbal, aptitude, English and coding test. So start preparing for the same, and best of luck for your TCS interview. This is from my side. If you have any question, anything related to TCS or any interview that I need to post on my channel, please ping me on the comment section. Thank you for watching and goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and like it.